I realized the hidden motive, the food.
I'm starving, Tommy. You don't want your wife.
I said there was food in the house. You just didn't want to eat that food.
Pieces and
No, you keep ruining all my things that way. I'm not bringing any home. I'm not bringing them unless I'm there.
Because
Good morning, Philippines!
Uy, good morning sa inyong tanan. Good morning po mga ka-everything. Maayong aga. So, magkape muna tayo guys. Magkape kasi sobrang aga ako nagising kasi alis tayo. Samahan nyo na lang ako ngayong umaga guys. Samahan nyo ako kung andyan kayo. Kung gusto nyo sumama. So, ipadayon nyo lang panonood. Samahan nyo ako doon. Papunta tayo. Puntahan natin si Mister.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
Hi guys, good morning again. Kailangan ko pala ng gas. So, yun. Kuha tayo ng gas. Anyway, so maganda yung panahon ngayon. Sana hindi uulan. Kasi para okay yung drive natin. Sobrang aga, it's 6:49. Diba ang aga ko. Naka-shirt pa talaga ako. Sinuot ko na to. Binili ko to sa Forever 21 ito. Sinuot ko na. Pero kailangan kong mag-blazer kasi ayaw ko makita kilikili ko. I mean, meron kaming internet sa bahay sa loob yung ni Tami, pero sobrang hina niya. So, kaya hindi siya mag-ano. Ay, ginoo ko. Naano ako guys, nakuyawan ko ay, naano ako, natakot kasi nag-ano ako ng gas. So, ngayon, So ngayon, wala palang paalis na tayo dito sa gasoline station. Nilagay ko yung card, diba yung card is parang ganon. Hindi hindi nag-ano yung hindi ko na siya maibot, hindi ko na siya makuha yung card. Nagpanic tuloy ako. Kasi pag ganun ko, sabi ko, bakit hindi makuha yung card? Nagtitingin-tingin ako baka may scam kasi maraming diba, maglagay ng mga card, insert, may ilagay sila para makuha yung information mo, ganun. So yun, hindi pala. Kailangan ko pala siya i-push kasi parang mo-bounce ba. Naluka ako po. Tatakbo na sana ako doon sa sa loob ng gasoline station kasi yung counter nila doon baka anyari sa card ko, kaloka. Tika muna guys. Yan.
But it was just too late. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. We skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday.
ng sasakyan ni Mister. Andito na tayo guys. So ngayon, nawala ako guys. Ginoo ko, nakalimutan kong umexit. Nakalimutan kong mag-exit doon. Nagutom ako tuloy. Sana may pagkain si Mister dito Sana may pagkain si Mister. So, let's go. Anong oras na? Hala, ang aga ko. Dalhin natin itong snacks natin, look. Kasi alam nyo na. Nawala talaga ako. So, nagpaikot-ikot na ako. Buti na lang, GPS dito, direct. Diretso na tayo kay GPS, diba? Oh, close pala. Hindi inopen, Mister. Mister, hindi mo inopen. I think andun siya sa taas. Yeah, he's still not here. Puntahan natin si Mister. Let's go. Let's go. Nahiga-higa pa. Sa bathroom. Nasa bathroom, ihi muna ako. Kaihion kay ko. Hi guys. So, andun si Tami sa labas na nigarilyo. Kasi sabi ko, nigarilyo ka dito, sakit ulo ko. May tao sa ilalim. Pagdating ko dito, may kumatok. Yung ano daw. Kailangan tignan yung kung may butas or may parang umaagas na gas. So, tinitignan niya. Ano yan sa kumpanya yan. Sa gas company. There is a food in there.
There's none.
Okay, so?
Why do you tell me there's a lot? There's none.
Okay, nothing then. Pag maligo na si Tami, alis din ako. Punta akong ShopRite dito. Kasi bibili ako ng bread at saka cuts niya para may makain siya. Baby!
Yeah, okay.
What?
Zuckerberg posted that he's going to keep working from home in Hawaii.
So, mamaya, alis tayo kasi kung aalis ako ngayon, maaga doon sa ShopRite, bibili ako ng pang-lunch namin yung mainit sa Asian counter. Gusto talaga ako matulog. So, sa Asian counter, so, bibili ako doon. Kapag maaga ako, so, wala pa silang naluto. Gusto kong matulog. Ang aga ko kasi nagising kaninang umaga. Nagising ako 1 o'clock. At saka yung panahon ngayon, hindi masyadong mainit. Yun, hindi siya mainit. So, squeak-squeak! Nakikinig ang mga squirrel, oh. Squeak-squeak! Squeak-squeak! Tatlo. Squeak-squeak!
No choice.
Mabilis na ligo. So, he end up going with me. It's already 11 something. 11:20. We're just getting, hey, if they have that pork belly thingy, I'll get it. I'll freeze it. I don't know if can you freeze it?
Yeah, why not?
And then cook it when you get home Monday. Defrost it Sunday night. 10 daw yung binili niya kasi gusto niya ng marami. Kaya yun. Mag-ano ako, mag-barbecue. Yung barbecue na ilimpo natin yun, guys. What? Ang init ng sasakyan. Maganda yung temperature sa labas, pero yung sasakyan is sobrang init. Pork belly, he need to get and end up like paying a lot of money.
You need a lot of money anyway.
Because you're like crazy. You don't listen to your wife, never ever.
Because then you're like, I really want pork belly, but they don't sell it at a distiller over here. Well, you're down here now, so there you go.
Yeah, but look the price.
And the price is going up because all meat price is going up.
No one's doing that.
That's what I do.
Oh my God, I'm gonna. Thank you.
Almost left the bread in the cart. The one thing we actually came for.
No, I came here for.
No,
I came here for the food.
No, originally you were going to come here for the bread, remember?
Yeah.
I'll get you bread while you're
Yeah.
Because I said I'd just make sandwiches out of the rye, but you said, no, I'll go get your bread. Then I realized the hidden motive, the food.
I'm starving, Tommy. You don't want your wife.
I said there was food in the house, you just didn't want to eat that food.
No. So, we are home. And now it's time to eat lunch. Magla-lunch lang kami. Yung binili ko sa... Hala! I can't reach anything. I got some rice. I get lo mein. I get vegetables. And that one is good also, chicken. With the rice, they put a lot of oil. Han, I'm eating, Han.
Okay.
I'm starving.
Okay. Oh,
I bit my gum.
I hate when that happens.
People are talking about it.
Talk about who?
Me.
Why?
If you bit your gum, somebody mention your name.
Is that it? I never hear that. Sound like phony baloney crap.
I'm done pony baloney me. It's really real. Somebody talking shit about you.
Oh, so now you're talking about you, they're talking shit about you.
I think I know who it is.
Oh.
You farted. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Time is farting. Hot enough.
Mustard. That was good.
This is what I said, guys.
This is what I said, guys. Always what I said, guys. Always. Always what I said.
He went to Costco. I told you guys that I will give up, right?
Yeah, where'd you get these from?
I will give up with this bread, Hawaiian bread. And look, he told me, Han, I got you Hawaiian bread. No,
How's
because
that why?
I told you don't go to Costco and don't give me anything.
This is what I said.
This is what I
Guys,
said.
this is what I said, guys.
Like, I want to give up, but I cannot give up because he forced me to eat this one.
I'm not forced to eat it. You don't want to eat it, throw it out. I'm okay with that.
You,
Bread, man.
yeah, makes your wife
Throw it
beg.
out.
And then when your wives get beg, your husband look for a sexy one again.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Huh?
That's what I'm doing.
Are you gonna look for sexy?
I don't think so.
Okay, I'm gonna go soon, Han.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get you your turkeys.
Kaya guys, hindi talaga ako mag-ano guys kasi lo kahapon, di ba hindi niya ako makontak. Yung excuse niya is, ay hindi kita makontak, sabi ko, sabihin mo sa akin kapag magpunta ka ng Costco. Para naman masabi ko na bibili ka ng pee pads para sa aso, leather, ganon, yung mga pang sa cat natin. Sabi pa niya, oh, hindi kita makontak kasi kahapon, di ba? Nagpanic siya kasi hindi niya ako makontak. Nagkaloko-loko na. Asus, binilhan na naman. Meron pa naman ako sa basement. Hindi ko ginalaw kasi takot na akong kain na lang ako ng kain ng bread. So, hindi ko siya ginalaw. And then, itong asawa ko, kaloko-loko na, bumili. Puntahan natin kasi alam ko talagang marami yung binili. So, puntahan natin sa basement. Sabi niya, wala daw siyang binili. Let me see. Let me see. Look at that face. Ah, steak. Ana, you get this one again?
Those have been there for how long?
How long?
Hun?
This is a pot roast.
Yeah, one pot roast and one lamb. They've been there for a long time, but I'm not bringing them something. Oh, look, that's steak. Oh.
Yeah, because you have a ton of steak. I have to defrost the steak. Hey, I have to defrost the steak and cut it in pieces and cook.
No, you keep ruining all my steak that way. I'm not bringing any home. I'm not bringing them unless I'm there.
Because you are crazy.
Because you keep ruining them.
Ruining.
You cook them in a pan and overcook them to hell. I can't enjoy the steak anymore.
Because look,
Because you take the best piece of meat and you cook it like it's the worst piece of meat.
next time don't get steak, Tommy. Hey, can I put it on top? And look, we buy more pork because he doesn't listen. I said, Han, only 6 pork. He need to buy like above what I said.
Okay,
There's food over here, huh? Here, food over here.
just take it.
Take it for your limit. One more time.
Not for your limit, take it to the limit.
Took it to the limit. Take it to the limit.
It's very hot, so you can't wait on this because it's frozen.
Okay, I'm gonna leave now. You're leaving soon, right?
Oh,
I love you.
I love you too, even you're squished in half.
I love you. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Bye, Han. I'll see you Monday.
Yeah.
You go early, huh? Because we have to do something. What do we do? Do you remember?
I don't know.
The Wi-Fi. Early, huh? Oh, put that in the back.
Back or trunk?
The trunk, back. That's the back.
Trunk is the trunk, the back seat is the back. Can you tell somebody sit in the back? Or do you tell them sit in the trunk?
Is it in the back?
Oh, well, there you go. So this obviously the trunk is not the back.
You're so drama. Give it to me.
I'll put it in the back.
Give me a kiss.
Love you.
I
You
love
want to take
you.
some clementines with you?
No.
Alright.
Hey. Hold on.
Drive careful.
Hey, I love you, baby.
Me too.
Hey, I will talk to you
Get ice
later.
and crap, put it in my cooler.
Drive careful, huh?
Yeah.
Careful, careful.
Let's try.
Okay.
Wow.
I love you.
Me too.
Bye, Han. Okay, guys. Let's go. Where's my phone? Charge natin ito kasi mamatay na. Hello, guys. So, yun. Hindi masyadong matraffic ngayon. So, which is really good. Nagpa-music lang ako, guys. Music. Yan. Hintayin ko lang yung tawag ni Tami. Okay, so ito yung binili ni Tami na pork. Look, ang dami. And pork belly po yan, guys. Masarap kasi may... Hala, wala ng skin. Skin yung hinahanap ko sa pork belly. Oh my God. So, ilagay ko to sa ano. Look, kinuhanan talaga nila ng... Let me see before I see something. Kailangan kong tignan muna. Tignan muna, ha? So, ilagay natin ito sa ziploc bag. Bago niyan, tignan natin. Kasi... May bones pala yung iba. Pero okay na yung may bones. So, let's see. Ah, may ano, skin pala, guys. Ako ba kayo magpataka? Ano na yung giyawit? Tignan nyo. May skin pala. Ginoo ko. Ilagay natin ito siya dyan. Ay, naku. Lagay natin sa freezer. So, ito yung nangyayari. Nag-ano ako ng 3 pork, diba? Nag-ano ko. So, kinat ko siya. Mataas siya, diba? Kinat ko siya ng half. And then, yung kada ano, kinat ko siya, slice 3 times. So, ito na siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng garlic, toyo, kalamansi, dalawang lime, konting suka, asin, and then lagyan natin ng paminta. Asan yung paminta natin? Lagyan natin ng maraming paminta. So, ito yung sikreto natin. Ilagyan ko din siya ng asin. Ng ziploc. Gusto ko itong maraming lime. Masarap talaga pag may lime. Yung suka, konti lang yung nilagay ko. So, hindi ko na dinamihan yung suka kasi suka is hindi siya pang tenderizer ano siya, papatigas. So, lutuin natin ito bukas. Hi guys, nagbihis ako guys, katulugon ko. At sumakit yung giliran ko dito, oh, and sakit, grabe. Sabi ko, anyari, bakit sumakit? So, higa-higa lang ako doon, nakahiga ako doon sa sa office ni Tami. Kaso, itong si Roxy, itong na, sunod-sunod, oh. Sunod ng sunod. So, nakahiga ako doon sa office ni Tami, and ako, sabi ko, transfer tayo kasi sunod-sunod, manggugagod. Iwan ko, bakit masakit dito guys? Dito, oh my god, iwan ko na lang talaga. Pagdating ko talaga dito, ito yung naramdaman ko. Sabi ko, anyari, bakit ganito? Ewan ko, anyari sa akin, bakit masakit? So, I'm going to end this vlog early guys. And so yun, thank you so much guys for watching. And hindi pa ako nag-dinner. So, I don't know. So, i-in ko tong maaga kasi talagang gusto kong matulog ng maaga. And then, ipahinga ko to, tong sakit na to. And then, inom din ako ng inom ng tubig. Baka sa kinain ko to kanina doon sa galing sa, sa ShopRite. I don't know. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Anyway guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.